can I say to my lover? The two of us, we lust for crumbs of care, but the big dilemma's always there. Try and hear the open gob that spells a fear, but it all falls into place in the end, you know, this kind of stuff. So ponder what you've heard, the big dilemma's mighty words. Between you and me, and I'm serious, there's an Ospreys nest in our back garden. I'm worried about it, worried stupid about the eggs. I think why our garden of all places, wonder sometimes is it true? Of an Osprey sound interesting, but how can I put it into use? The second will might bust the gut, the guilty ego, the time limit. Brought about by age-old lies, but from a dream of pale blue skies, they bust a gut to find a face to wear, but the big dilemma's always there. Too hide up, too scared of sweat, the open pores that smell of death, too paranoid have been taken for a ride, we have become mean, and I mean to decide before too long, but my ears hear the big one's eerie song. Between you and me, and I'm serious, there's an Osprey's nest in our back garden. I'm worried about it, worried stupid about the eggs. I think why our garden of all places, wonder sometimes is it true?